Begin launch sequence. Main power online.
Oxygen tanks at maximum.
Defensive systems active.
Twin-turbo hydrojet engine purring like a kitten.
And your secret weapon is ready to rock.
Only time you qualify as a secret weapon is after eating a tofu bean burrito.
Excuse me, but can you breathe underwater? Can you be any fish in the sea? Didn't think so.
Beast Boy's right. His skills are essential to our mission.
We have to find out what this Trident guy is planning. If it takes 40 barrels of toxic waste, I doubt it's environmentally friendly. Titans, launch!